One of the toughest frontiers in physics is understanding how matter behaves when its interactions are so strong that even the most powerful classical computers can't simulate it. That's the challenge being tackled by our first speaker in the relaunched Qiskit Seminar Series. In this inaugural seminar, we'll hear from Professor Martin Savage of the University of Washington and PI of the Incubator for Quantum Simulation about how his team is using quantum computers to study the dynamics of strongly interacting matter. Studying these types of interactions can help us better understand the underlying physics that leads to phenomena ranging from cosmic ray events to supernovas and binary neutron star collisions. All these events rely on microscopic quantum behavior, and the approximations that are typically used in classical simulations fail in this strongly interacting regime. That's where quantum computers come in. By encoding quantum states of particles and fields into qubits, quantum computers can efficiently represent the complex correlations that define strongly interacting systems. This makes it possible to simulate processes such as energy loss, particle formation, and other dynamics of strongly interacting fields. Savage and his team are exploring various models that capture essential features of strongly interacting particles. They've simulated the Schwinger model, which describes electromagnetic interactions in one dimension, and the so-called SU2 non-abelian gauge theory, which is a simplified version of quantum chromodynamics, the theory governing how quarks and gluons interact via the strong force. The team is applying these models to study how heavy quarks move through a dense, strongly interacting medium, lose energy, and eventually form stable composite particles. This process is central to understanding the quark-gluon plasma created in high-energy collisions. All of which is to say that this team is leading the charge to use quantum computers to help us understand the universe like never before. If this sounds exciting, mark your calendars for Friday, February 27th at 12 p.m. Eastern to hear Dr. Savage present his work live and to ask questions. In the meantime, you can learn more about this field in general and Dr. Savage's research in particular by checking out the resources and papers linked in the description below. Can't wait to see you there.